Hey everyone, I'm here to talk a little bit about PictoChart. PictoChart can be used to create infographics, presentations, posters, and flyers. I recently used it to create a graphic syllabus. Here's an example. So this was for a graphic syllabus for a course called Instructional Design and E-Learning. And I made a blended biology course syllabus for my students. As you can see, there's a lot of great visuals here in the syllabus for students to use. It's an effective way to share information in a visual format. Picto offers a choice of 5 templates, so let's take a look at those real quick. So you have choices for templates of infographic, presentation, poster, report, or flyer. Some of the technical requirements, well, PictoChart works best if you're using either Google Chrome or Firefox. Let's go ahead and take a look here at how to create a poster in PictoChart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to pictochart.com or click on this link. You can either sign up for a new account or you can log in using Facebook or Google. If you do create an account, make sure you keep track of your user ID and password for later use. You do not need to pay to use PictoChart. There are packages that you can pay for with advanced features. You get things like unlimited visuals, PDF exports, custom fonts, folders, but for our purposes, we're going to go ahead and just use the free version. Okay, let's take a look here at how to create a poster. So after I log in, either creating an account, Google or Facebook, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the template that says poster. Okay, if I want to create a poster. Once I click on that, I can then click on photos if I want to look at photos, and then it's going to give me a whole bunch of different photo templates to look at. Once I see an image that I like, I can go ahead and click on it, and then just drag it into the workspace here. And then I have my photo. You can change the size of the photo, move it wherever you want to. And then probably what I'll want to do is I'll add some text to that. So then I can go down here to where I see the text icon. I can click on that. And then I decided to put in a title here, English Conversation. So I used that for my title. And then I used down here, put down subtitle, put down instructor, and then my name. So that's pretty much how to create a basic document in PictoChart. Once you have that, You have a few different options of how you want to save or share your work. You can create a link to it, you can embed it, you can send it to an email or share it. You also have the option of downloading the PDF version of it. You can also publish, share it via social media, and then people can go ahead and make commentary on it, tell you what a great job you did. So Picto is really, it's a lot of fun to create things using PictoChart. I really enjoyed using it. I think for you guys as instructors, there's a lot of great things you'd be able to do with it. So good luck and happy creating. Thank you.